After winning the first National Limoges, after winning the second National Vivon, after winning the second National Bush, we are here again at this top loft because now they win the first National Tulle. First National Tulle has been won by a hen with a ring number B23610247. A top hen, a granddaughter of the Olympiad bird and third national ace, Gaby Gabyvendenabeele. This hen raced on the chaos system, on the total Widowwood system, won with a distance of 1,384 meters per minute, and this on a distance of 685 kilometers. A real top performance because she's not only the fastest of 5,753 yearbirds, but also the fastest of 10,700